Forests are the Earth's lungs, providing the oxygen we breathe and absorbing the carbon dioxide we exhale. They are essential for maintaining the balance of our planet's atmosphere. They are vast ecosystems teeming with life, home to countless species of plants, animals, and microorganisms. Each organism plays a crucial role in the health of the forest, from towering trees that reach skyward to tiny insects that crawl on the forest floor. Every part is interconnected in a delicate balance. Deforestation is the clearing of these forests for other land uses, such as agriculture, urban development, and logging. This process disrupts the natural balance and leads to the loss of biodiversity. It is happening at an alarming rate, with vast areas of forest being cleared every day. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is one of the most affected regions. Humans cut down trees for many reasons, including the need for land to grow crops, raise livestock, and build homes. The demand for timber and other forest products also drives deforestation. Some need land for farming to feed growing populations, while others clear forests to create pastures for livestock. Others want to sell timber for profit, fueling industries that rely on wood for construction, paper, and other products. As forests vanish, the consequences are severe. The loss of habitat forces wildlife to flee, leading to a decline in biodiversity and the extinction of species. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the climate we rely on are all affected. Deforestation contributes to air pollution, disrupts water cycles, and exacerbates climate change, making it a critical issue that demands our attention. Agriculture is a primary driver of deforestation. Forests are being cleared at an alarming rate to make way for agricultural activities. This includes both large-scale commercial farming and small-scale subsistence farming. As the global population grows, so does the demand for food. This increasing demand puts pressure on forests, as more land is needed to grow crops and raise livestock to feed billions of people. Vast areas of forest are cleared to create space for crops like soy and palm oil. These crops are in high demand globally, not just for food but also for products like biofuels and cosmetics. This conversion of land comes at a high cost to the environment. The loss of trees leads to soil erosion, reduced biodiversity, and the disruption of water cycles. Logging is another significant contributor. Both legal and illegal logging activities are responsible for the removal of vast tracts of forest. Trees are harvested for their wood, which is used in construction, furniture, and paper production. The demand for these products continues to drive deforestation. Illegal logging, driven by the demand for valuable timber, further exacerbates the problem. This illegal activity often goes unchecked, leading to even more forest loss. The consequences are devastating for forest ecosystems. The destruction of forests leads to the loss of habitat for countless species, many of which are endangered. The balance of these ecosystems is disrupted, leading to long-term environmental damage. Forests play a crucial role in regulating our climate. They act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When forests are cleared and burned, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. Deforestation also disrupts the water cycle. Trees help to regulate water flow, preventing floods and droughts. Without trees, the land is more susceptible to erosion and soil degradation. This affects water quality and availability for both people and wildlife. Section 4. Silence of the songbirds. Forests are home to an incredible diversity of life. They provide habitat for countless species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Deforestation is pushing many of these species towards extinction. The loss of biodiversity has far-reaching consequences. It weakens ecosystems, making them more vulnerable to pests and diseases. It also has implications for human well-being, as we rely on biodiversity for food, medicine, and other resources. Section 5. Safeguarding our future. Protecting our forests is crucial for the health of our planet and future generations. Forests are not just a collection of trees, they are complex ecosystems that support a vast array of wildlife and plant species. They play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Without them, the balance of our environment would be severely disrupted. We can all make a difference by supporting sustainable practices. Simple actions like planting trees, reducing paper usage, and recycling can have a significant impact. Volunteering for local conservation projects or supporting organizations that focus on forest preservation can also contribute to the cause. Choosing products from sustainably managed forests is a step in the right direction. Look for certifications like FSC or PEFC when purchasing wood or paper products. These labels ensure that the products come from responsibly managed forests that provide environmental, social, and economic benefits. Governments, businesses, and individuals must work together to combat deforestation. Policy changes at the governmental level can enforce stricter regulations on logging and land use. Businesses can adopt more sustainable practices and reduce their carbon footprint. Individuals can advocate for change and support policies that protect our forests. This includes supporting reforestation efforts, promoting sustainable agriculture, and tackling illegal logging. Reforestation helps restore degraded lands and provides habitat for wildlife. Sustainable farming practices reduce the need to clear forests for agriculture. Law enforcement can crack down on illegal logging activities that threaten forest ecosystems. The time to act is now, before it's too late. The longer we wait, the more difficult it will become to reverse the damage. Immediate action is necessary to ensure that future generations inherit a planet with thriving forests and a stable climate. Thank you for taking the time to learn about this critical issue. Education and awareness are the first steps towards making a difference. By staying informed, you can make better choices and inspire others to do the same. For more information about deforestation and how you can help, please visit a reputable conservation organization website. These websites offer valuable resources, including ways to get involved, donate, and stay updated on the latest conservation efforts. Together, we can protect our planet's precious forests. By uniting our efforts, we can create a sustainable future where forests continue to thrive and support life on Earth. Let's take action now and make a lasting impact.